This and more is what an investor experiences in Gujarat. You cannot be in India today if you are not in Gujarat.
Gujarat growth and your confidence in the state is no accident. It is the vision that has been laid out by the Honorable Chief Minister. Things don't happen. We have to make things happen, and hard work goes behind it.
What we are witnessing here in Gujarat today makes me personally a very, very proud Indian and a very, very proud Gujarati.
$240 billion. My God, these are the sums that one cannot even imagine.
We have several investments in Gujarat and we are planning more investments. And I think it's a state that is very well administered.
We intend to build a city over here in Gujarat called Nano City. See, Gujarat is a very efficient place. And I think it's the place to do business in India.
We are here. From every corner of the globe, businesses with one purpose, with one objective. Because we too want to invest in success. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujilam Sufilam. I wish you Godspeed. Jai Hind.
That as far as investment is concerned, it's autopilot. I will focus only on human development index. And in these 5 years, I have fully dedicated myself for the human development index. And in this summit, I can see how my dream is taking shape and how people are coming forward to fulfill it.
Gujarat, the undisputed growth engine of India, is the world's third largest producer of denim and India's largest producer of salt, chemicals, sponge iron, petrochemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Gujarat is home to one of the world's largest grassroots refineries, the world's largest single-location copper smelter unit, and the world's largest lignite-based single-stream cement plant. Gujarat's fast-track economic development is for everyone to see. Consistent double-digit growth, rising inflow of global investments, increasing presence of multinational organizations, $60 approved SEZs, highest in the country, 2 special investment regions, and 40% of the proposed Delhi-Mumbai freight corridor. And what's special about Gujarat is its peaceful and productive workforce. Little wonder that the entrepreneurs are smiling and the investors are delighted.
As Reliance, we have been in business in Gujarat over the last 50 years, and I am very proud to say that we have not lost a single day of work.
Believe it or not, Gujarat is a state led by a common man who is focused on a vision.
Gujarat's success could not have been so swift without the vision and passion of its Chief Minister and the energy of its people.
A common man who dreams with his eyes open. A common man who inspires one and all.
I think we as politicians from different parts of the world can easily be inspired by him.
આ માણસ છે જ્યારથી સચિવાલયમાં બેઠા છે આખા સચિવાલયમાં એક જાન આવી ગઈ છે, એક પ્રાણ આવી ગયો છે, અને એના કારણે આજે ચારે તરફ જોઈએ તો આપણને